was looking for creative ways to add both fun, practicality, and whimsy to our backyard and came across these outdoor solar lights. First impression, they're a bronze metal. They're about 6 inches wide, about 4 inches high, and they have this insert of the solar panel that sits in the top. It is removable, and this allows you access to adjust between multiple settings. There is a warm light and a cool light option. The cool light, or if you hit the button, you can rotate to the other side, this way, and you get the warm light option. And once you picked your color of choice, it slides right back in top and rests securely in the metal. You can see from the side there's this die cut. The light does shine through those cutouts, and it creates kind of a floral pattern, which is beautiful. And here's a nighttime look. I'm going to turn the device on. Ooh, it's bright, and change it to the warm light for me. Drop the solar light into the lantern, and you can see the reflective glow. Obviously, for continued outdoor use, you would just keep it on at all times, and it does come on at dusk and lasts 8 to 12 hours with full charge. Thanks to the seller for sending this over. It's adding beauty and charm to our space.